Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to show you a tutorial on how to show number row on keyboard on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so yeah, if you guys feel difficult when you type a number on your keyboard because the number row is not display on the top of keyboard, so don't need to be worried guys, because you can display it or you can show it in the first page of your keyboard. And how to show the number row to your keyboard is very easy. So yeah, now without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first is now you can show your own keyboard first. And as you can see, there's no number row on the top of your keyboard. And so yeah, to show it off, now you can click on the left top and then now you can click settings and then you can click for input menu and then you can activate number row. And so yeah, if you're done, now as you can see the result, the number row will display it on the top of your keyboard. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.